Hey guys, it's Costa. I'm doing a quick video on a topic that I think can be shared amongst multiple locations. So, Krista, I'm not singling you out. This is just the most recent comment regarding the pricing of um, our services. So, um, obviously, in our space, in the quick lube space, we do oil changes in as a service to make money. And when I run these specials, a lot of people think that we overcharge on other things, even though other things such as canister filters or extra quarts of oil were still lower than our peers in the quick lube space for those things. But the common question around canister filters come up because a lot of people, rightfully so, go to Walmart and they see that the canister filters sometimes cost less retail than the spin-on filters, and that's true in retail sense, but for us as a quick lube or any automotive use, that's not the case. I'm gonna share something real quick. This is this was the quickest document I could pull up in Google Sheets, but this was our 2023 purchasing of filters for the corporate stores through August of 2023. These first five filters are all spin-ons, and then there's the CF6296, which is the 3.6, um, the Jeep, Chrysler, and Dodge filter, and then there's another couple spin-ons. Um, we buy spin-ons in such high quantities that the cost is almost negligible. That is why the standard oil change is 5 quarts of oil in a spin-on filter. That's been the standard for years because 80% of cars on the road use a spin-on filter and use less than 5 quarts. That's why the standard is what it is. These canister filters we don't buy in quantities because let's just take this 5609, which is for like VWs, Audis, and um, other German cars. We'll only buy 137 of those a year because they are for a specific engine. And so our cost is higher. And it's not a negligible cost like these spin-on filters are. So we don't just eat it because it's not change, it's multiple dollars. That being said, our pricing on canister filters is much less than all of our peers. Like we're not even close to charging what Jiffy Lube, Take Five, or Valvoline charge for these things. But it is important to notice, like to note, I if I could give these to everyone for free, I would. I wish I could, but a filter like a CF6127 is a $10 filter as opposed to a spin-on filter, which is pennies. So it's not a matter of like trying to overcharge people for these things. It's a matter of we cannot eat the cost of canister oil filters. I would if I could. I think everybody who has been going to Costa Oil long enough knows that I try everything in my power to give the most uh, affordable oil change in all the markets that we do business. But in this particular case, it's just not possible. So that's the explanation for the canister oil filters. Hope this is helpful to anyone. Krista, again, not singling you out. It's just this was the perfect opportunity to make this video for not only our customers but our staff as well, in case any of them wanted some insight to it. So thanks.